20th Battalion CRPF distributes free rations to poor families. MAC Richard Togby visits storm-hit families. Government employees provide food items at Mirlangso, Longkipangcho village. District administration bans sale of liquor and tobacco products in the hill districts. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Baby with the latest news. Now let's have a look at the news in detail. Taking steps to assist the needy and poor people suffering from scarcity of food items, the 20th Battalion CRPF based at Birla Gate Depot had today distributed rations to hundreds of families. A report from our correspondent.
Led by the CRPF 20 Battalion Commandant R.D. Jenny Anal, deployed in Depot, Karbi Anglong, distributed free rations to hundreds of families under the Civic Action Program. CRPF 20 Battalion provided rice, onion, dal, potatoes and salt, along with COVID-19 preventive medicines to the poor and needy and the daily wage laborers of Tokatiso village, Sikari Bay village and Upper Habjan 12 kilometers area.
Rice, dal, onion, potato, salt, which are basic requirements for a poor family. So here we have come across to so many places, and during coordination meeting also DC was insisting that at least poor and needy should be held. So accordingly we have covered so many villages.
Apart from maintaining law and order and counter-insurgency operation duties, the CRPF 20 Battalion Commandant has been extending several humanitarian services to the poor and needy, helping the district administration during this turbulent period. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live.
Moving on to another news, the Dwarbagri MAC and Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Forest Board Chairman Richard Togby today visited the storm-affected families in his constituency. Here is a report from our correspondent.
Hundreds of houses were destroyed in Dolamara when a sudden sandstorm hit the area on Wednesday. This added the woes of these families due to the ongoing lockdown. On receiving reports of their situation, MAC Richard Togby reached the spot to talk with the affected families. During his visit, the local MAC has also directed the relief officials that no partiality should be made between the villagers on distribution of food items due to the strict lockdown. Meanwhile, the MAC entrusted local VDC Chairman Sarkoy Rongpar to make a detailed report of all the affected families so that relief materials can be provided at the earliest. While assuring all possible assistance to the storm and lockdown affected families, MAC Togby said that the distribution of food items was suspended today due to the bad weather, but will resume it as soon as the weather turns normal. It may be mentioned that he is the first person among the elected representatives to visit the storm-affected families in the area. Arjison Rongpar, Karbi Anglong Live from Dolamara.
Yet another news coming in as lockdown continues all over the country. The government employees of the hill districts of Karbi Anglong also continue their relief work, providing essential food items towards families hit by food crisis. A report.
Even as the nationwide lockdown is being fully implemented and supported by all public in general, huge number of families going through hardship due to their limited food stock continues to remain a cause of great concerns among the government and authority. However, the government employees of various departments also continued their effort with relief work by providing rice, dal and other essential food items across the district. On Friday, Sub-Divisional Agriculture Officer Manoj Sangma and Bobin Singer along with his wife Tina Rongpipi provided rice, lentils, potatoes, oil and salts to families of Mirlangso Longkipangcho village falling under Difu Ward number 9.
COVID-19 লগত ৰোধ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে এই মহামাৰী ৰোধ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে ই এটা ভাইৰেল ইনফেকচন হয় ইয়াৰ দৰৱ আজিলৈকে ওলোৱা নাই গতিকে এইখিনি বাচিবৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ চৰকাৰে যিটো নীতি নিৰ্দেশনা দিছে যে আমি social distancing to maintain কৰিব লাগে
During the distribution, SDAO Manoj Sangma urged upon Mirlangso, Longki Pangcho villagers to actively support the nationwide lockdown and to protect families and save lives by maintaining all the preventive guidelines like use of hand sanitizers, maintaining social distance, and to stay home until the government issues new orders and notification. Sarjib Kathar, Karbi Anglong Live.
Moving on to the next news, in an effort to strengthen the fight against the entry or spread of coronavirus, the district administration has banned the sale of liquor and tobacco products in the hill districts of Karbi Anglong during the ongoing nationwide lockdown. Here is a report.
The West Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner Syed Isfakur Rahman and Karbi Anglong District Deputy Commissioner Mukul Kumar Sakya had on Friday issued a notification officially declaring the ban in the sale of liquor and tobacco products in the districts. The strict orders included compulsory wearing of facial mask in all public and workplaces, complete ban in the sale of liquor, gutkha and all tobacco products, and prohibition of spitting in public places.
Arakia hormu hor gutkha duma hehui jorong pusi kamki. Kumane abang pubang pijong si laso kapin khat alam lapen lampa phang RDJ kapatepek puluti Disaster Management Act 2005 Section 51 lapen IPC Section 188 ateng District Magistrate Pen Ingsaji.
The notification also warns of stringent legal actions against violators. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live.
And that's all from us now. Please keep watching Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you.